Do the worst part.
Put away, mommy's here. Here's what I'll do, bro. Ready? It's old fashioned.
I thought it was gonna come out. It didn't work.
Ew.
When you eat them like
Red.
how you have on?
Frosting. It's frosting.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'm not crossing nothing. Let it low, vomit.
Hot sauce went up my nose.
Oh my god, ew.
Yeah. I got something up my nose. Somehow that brought hot sauce. No, nothing came out. A lot. My nose?
Mine on it. Hold on. Oh, yeah, go. And now go over there.
Christian,
What?
making a mess.
You made a mess.
I'm crying.
A little kid.
Huh?
You're like a little kid. Wait. No.
I got hot sauce stuck up behind my nose.
Put a lid on this.
Oh, it's not gonna fall out anyway.
Yeah, I saw your hot sauce.